What's going on, guys? Matt from DSR here, and today we are up at Premier Bikes in Oxford looking at this, the Tiger 1200 Rally Explorer. Unfortunately, they don't have a demo bike of this, so I've taken one of their used bikes and brought it outside. I have done a review on the Tiger 1200 GT Explorer and the Tiger 1200 Rally Pro. This is a hybrid between the two. If you want to know how those bikes handle, then check out the videos, top right hand corner, the cards will be there. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the differences between this and the Rally Pro. The Rally Explorer is going to be your go anywhere, do anything bike. It's got a large 21 front, 18 rear, so taking this off-road and getting your off-road tyres is going to be absolutely no dramas. The first main difference between this and the Rally Pro is going to be the oversized tank. This has got a 30 litre fuel tank, whereas the Rally Pro only has a 20 litre. I say only, 20 litres is still big, but yeah, this is 30 litres. It's going to be getting you 250 to 300 miles per tank. Anyone that rides their bike during the winter months knows that having heated grips and heated seats is required. This bike comes with heated seats, so it's nice to see. Rider and pillion. All the heat settings for these seats can be adjusted using the handlebar on the left hand side through the TFT screen. And lastly, coming to the rear of the bike, it's nice to see we have got a clump back here, and this is the rear radar. This provides blind spot detection. So what that means, this will pick it up, and then on the left and right of the mirrors you've got small little indentations, LED lights that will illuminate when you've got a vehicle in your blind spot. Perfect for any dual carriageways or motorways. It's just a nice added safety feature. I'm just going to put it out there as well. I think the Tiger 1200 in this kind of matte green, it looks the best colour in my opinion in the range. The all singing, all dancing Rally Explorer has 3 different colour options, and each of those have a slightly different price range. So for the white version, coming in at £19,100, you're then going to get the black, which is going to set you back £19,300, and lastly, like I said, I think this is the best one, khaki green. This is going to set you back £19,400. With the oversized fuel tank, we've also got upper crash bars as well, just to protect all that nice little bit of plastics and everything else underneath it, ready for when you take this off-road. Because let's face it, you're buying a bike like this, you want to be doing some form of green lane in the UK. Outside the UK, you've got better roads to do off-road, but for us, green lanes and just the back roads in the UK, country lanes. With the extra fuel tank, it is going to bump up the weight. This is now going to come in at 261 kilos. If this bike handles anything like the other two, you aren't going to feel that weight. And that for me was definitely a massive plus. A bike this kind of size, and it just handles beautifully. Triumph have done a really good job setting up the geometry of this bike so it just flicks left and right beautifully. And there we have it, guys. So those are the main differences between the Rally Pro and this, the Rally Explorer. Like I said, if you do want to see me riding the Rally Pro or the GT Explorer, check out my other videos. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. We have got reviews coming weekly. Until the next one, ride safe.